CLP leader K. Meghachandra has categorically stated that the Congress party will not accept any exchange of land between India and Myanmar. Speaking in a press conference, Meghachandra contended that the Manipur government should not remain silent on the issue. He emphasized that the party firmly opposes exchanging territory under a new alignment, particularly along Indo-Myanmar border pillars 65, 66, 67 and 68 in Chanel district. Stating that there can be no changes to the historical boundary of Manipur, he asserted that the central government must consult stakeholders in advance and present the proposal in Parliament if necessary. Citing a recent briefing by Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal, Meghachandra argued that the statement cannot be held valid. He also accused the central government of ignoring the voices of the people of Manipur, reiterating that the state government must speak out.
In fact, it is not fair, and the dignity of the people and the rights of the people is disturbing, and the India government is always particularly this double engine government, they are neglecting the sentiment of the people of Manipur. Not only this particular exchange of territory, in all issues, this double engine government neglecting the voice of the people of Manipur. So they need to hear the voice of the people, and the government need to activate. Government need to do their responsibility and accountability. So it is quite hopeless. The state government is silent. Why is this government ignorant on this issue? I don't know. But they are not giving any statement in connection with the recent press briefing by the Jaswalji, the spokesperson of the External Affairs Minister. So it is very unhappy, and it's condemnable.